DXtrader, uncut, unfiltered. So MT4, MT5 pretty much is gone for US traders. What we got? We got DXtrader, a web-based portal. I don't know if I like it. I don't know if you guys like it. What you guys think? So we're gonna look at DXtrader with True True Forex Fund. Yeah, with my True Forex Fund TFT. The funded trader. Okay, so we're looking at the funded trader DXtrader account. We're gonna look at the order placement, the one-click order. We're gonna look at how to show order history and just a little bit of navigation with the portal. I don't know if I like it yet. I feel like I'm starting over something again. I don't like to change. I like to be consistent. I'm a consistent trader. I like my thing to be consistent, but guys, let's see what this has to offer. So guys, logging into my DXtrader for the first time. Well, not the first time, second time, because I'm showing you guys. MT4, my MT4 is gone with the funded trader. Man, I have no clue what to do. I have to learn a new portal again. It's a mess for a trader. Trading ain't easy, guys. So let's jump into DXtrader for the funded trader, my funded trader challenge. So once I get in, um, so they have a direct link from once you go to the your dashboard, they give you a link to the DXtrader. The DXtrader is it's 100% web based. So you log in. So now I log into DXtrader. I came in here before, so let me close this out and show you guys what I did because this is a mess. But we got to learn to use this anyway. So first thing is first. If you have more than one TFT funded accounts, they will show up. All your accounts will show up here, top right corner. All right, number one. Number two, you can switch between euro to see your funds in euro or in USD. I'm in the US, so I switch to USD. All right. Number three, things you got to know about DXtrader. One click. If this is turned to the right, guys, you will click one time and you will be in the market. Doesn't matter whatever the default lot size is, no stop loss, whatever it is, it will take you in the market. Okay, so make sure that this is off and then you set your lot size, your risk management before you hit buy enter. I'll show you later. Let's go to they got these workspaces. Once you click here, open up the workspaces. And what interesting is, let's click on, okay, so I have this workspace open. Next thing I go here, new accounts. I go to position. So it opens up a window. If I had positions running, they will show here. All right. Again, I go here, I go to orders. It opens up another window that will show my orders if I had orders in. You go to my account again and trade history. And you keep going, messages, and you keep going, cash movement. So what happening is each of these window is like a widget. You can grab them and move them wherever you want. I mean, I think I will get used to this, but for now, it's a pain in the butt. So I'm just sharing what I learned so far from DXtrader. Watch list. You click on the watch list, it's open up the watch list to the right. You can drag it anywhere you want to. Trade journal is kind of cool. I like that. So you can X and close all of these out. You can just X, close them out, close them out, close them out, close them out, and just add the widgets. I'm going to call them widget because that's what they look like to me from here. So let me show you how you make a trade. Like let me see if I know how to even make a trade watch list. So this is my watch list. Okay. So let me go to my save watch list, because I came in here and I made my watch list because I only trade a few pairs. So you see where it says sell and buy. If I click on buy, right, it's gonna bring this window up because I do not have one-click trading turned on. So because one-click trading is turned off, it will bring me to this screen, which is where I put my order. So new order in DXtrade. You want to, first thing you want to do here is you want to check, I don't know if you use market order, limit order. I use market order, and stop loss is 35 pips. Okay. And I don't use take profit. Now, what I like about DXtrader so far is the fact that it shows your projected loss on the trade. So if I should place this trade with a 0.33 lot size, my risk is $85. That's kind of cool. I'm not gonna lie, that's kind of cool. So all I need to do to get in the market is to click send order. All right, let's get out of this. Now, if I turn this off and I hit buy and sell, it will immediately send the order to the order desk and put me in the market. But this is very important, guys. But because I have my stop loss set already, it's going to use the stop loss and the take profit and whatever risk management I have here. It's going to use this to get me in the market. So if you don't have this, it's going to get you in the market just like that. So you want to make sure you set this up right away. All right, guys, I'm breaking DXtrader down. This is my TFT challenge. I will keep you guys posted of how I'm doing. Either I pass or I fail, whatever it is, I'll let you guys know. You know what I mean? This is real traders here, guys. This is real trader information here. So we pass, we fail, we let you guys know. All right, stay tuned. See you on the next one.